Welcome back to the Autoland, where we bring you the latest and greatest in motorcycles, adventure vehicles, and innovative rides. If you love exploring the open road and discovering new ways to travel in comfort and style, you're in the right place. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, an in-depth look at the Kia Motorhome 2025. This is not just any RV, it's a game-changer in the world of motorhomes. Kia is known for its stylish and reliable vehicles, but now they've taken things to the next level with a motorhome designed for modern travelers. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a digital nomad, or someone who loves long road trips, this vehicle has something for you. So, buckle up as we take a deep dive into the design, features, technology, performance, and everything else that makes the Kia Motorhome 2025 one of the most exciting releases in the RV world. Kia has been making waves in the automotive industry with its electric and hybrid vehicles, but now, they're stepping into the motorhome market with a fresh and futuristic approach. The 2025 model is built with efficiency, sustainability, and comfort in mind. The design is sleek and modern, with an aerodynamic shape that helps improve fuel efficiency. Unlike traditional bulky RVs, this one is compact yet spacious, offering a perfect balance between size and functionality. The Kia Motorhome 2025 is based on a modified version of Kia's popular van chassis, providing a smooth and stable ride. It features a streamlined front end, LED lighting, and a bold grille that gives it a premium look. The exterior isn't just about aesthetics, it's also packed with smart features like solar panels on the roof, retractable awnings, and an innovative modular design that allows you to customize your living space on the go. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kia Motorhome 2025 is its interior design. Step inside, and you'll find a well-thought-out living space that feels more like a modern apartment than a traditional RV. The use of high-quality materials, smart storage solutions, and ergonomic design make this motorhome feel incredibly comfortable. The layout is designed to maximize space, with a convertible seating area that transforms into a bed, a compact yet fully functional kitchenette, and a bathroom with a shower. The kitchenette is equipped with an induction cooktop, a small but efficient fridge, and a sink with a foldable faucet to save space. There are also plenty of cabinets and drawers for storage. The dining area features a fold-out table, allowing you to enjoy meals with a scenic view from the large panoramic windows. Speaking of windows, Kia has included smart glass technology in this motorhome, which means you can adjust the tint of the windows with a simple touch, providing privacy and controlling the amount of sunlight entering the cabin. The interior lighting is also fully adjustable, with LED strips that allow you to change the mood and ambience of your space. When it comes to technology, Kia has gone all out. The motorhome is equipped with an advanced infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, and voice controls. Whether you need navigation assistance, want to stream your favorite music, or control various settings in the vehicle, it's all easily accessible. Another standout feature is the smart home integration. The Kia Motorhome 2025 comes with an app that allows you to control everything from the climate system to the lighting and security features. You can even check your battery levels and water supply remotely, making it easier to plan your trips efficiently. For those who love off-grid adventures, this motorhome is built with self-sufficiency in mind. The solar panels on the roof help keep your batteries charged, reducing reliance on external power sources. The vehicle also includes a water filtration system, allowing you to use natural water sources safely. The battery system is designed to power all essential appliances, and for longer trips, there's an optional upgrade for a higher capacity battery pack. Now, let's talk about performance. The Kia Motorhome 2025 is available in both electric and hybrid variants, giving travelers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered RVs. The electric version features a powerful battery with an impressive range, making it perfect for city and short-distance travel. The hybrid model, on the other hand, provides the best of both worlds, combining an efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor for extended range and better fuel economy. Driving a motorhome can sometimes be challenging, but Kia has made sure that the 2025 model is as easy to handle as a regular van. It comes with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering much simpler. Safety is a top priority for Kia, and this motorhome includes multiple airbags, a reinforced frame for added durability, and a collision avoidance system that helps prevent accidents on the road. Whether you're traveling on highways, mountain roads, or through crowded cities, you can drive with confidence. One of the most exciting features of the Kia Motorhome 2025 is its modular and customizable design. Kia understands that every traveler has different needs, so they've created a flexible interior that can be easily modified. You can choose between different floor plans, add extra sleeping areas, or even install specialized equipment for hobbies like biking, surfing, or photography. For those who work remotely, there's an option to add a dedicated workspace with a fold-out desk, built-in charging ports, and even a high-speed internet booster. Whether you're a digital nomad or just need a place to check emails while on the road, this feature makes the Kia Motorhome 2025 a great option. Another unique aspect of this motorhome is its outdoor living features. It comes with an extendable side panel that creates a shaded outdoor space, perfect for relaxing, cooking, or entertaining. There's also an optional outdoor kitchen setup with a fold-out stove and sink, making it easy to enjoy meals under the open sky. The Kia Motorhome 2025 is not just about convenience and technology, it's about freedom. It's designed for people who love to explore without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or even full-time van life, this vehicle offers a perfect balance of mobility and livability. Pricing is always a key factor when considering a motorhome, and Kia has positioned this model as an affordable yet premium option. While exact pricing varies depending on configurations and upgrades, the base model is expected to be competitively priced compared to other motorhomes in its category. With Kia's reputation for reliability and strong warranty coverage, this vehicle is a solid investment for adventure enthusiasts. The release of the Kia Motorhome 2025 marks a new era in travel vehicles. With its combination of modern design, smart technology, eco-friendly options, and practical features, it's clear that Kia has created something special. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for adventure, or a family wanting to explore in style, this motorhome has a lot to offer. So, what do you think about the Kia Motorhome 2025? Is this the ultimate road trip vehicle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest motorcycles, adventure vehicles, and more. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the Kia Motorhome 2025. If you're as excited about this vehicle as we are, be sure to stay connected with the channel for more updates, reviews, and in-depth looks at the latest rides. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and enjoy the open road. See you in the next video.